This module is lightning-fast queries, aggregates, and reports, part of the high-performance data warehousing with Amazon Redshift course here on Pluralsight. My name's Russ Thomas, and for the next 20 or 30 minutes, we're going to focus on the actual queries that perform the data retrieval, large-scale queries as well as small focused aggregates, and the typical medium for those queries to the end users, the reports. There are three major aspects of this module: the query language itself, the things that you can do to ensure that the data you need is requested of the server in a way that will help the server get it to you the fastest. The first third of this module will focus on the SQL language and understanding what you are asking of your Redshift cluster, and generally what it must do in order to give you what you want. It's very helpful to know when considering performance. There are usually a variety of ways to get the data you want, but the manner in which you ask can have a pretty significant impact on the amount of work the cluster has to do. The second aspect is how the query is compiled into machine language and the instructions that are given out to each of the nodes. In this portion of the module, we'll dig into the query plan that is created when Redshift compiles your query into operations. In this portion, you'll learn how to see the plan chosen by Redshift, interpret it, and then use that information to improve performance and make better decisions yourself. You'll see the different ways that Redshift performs physical joins, creates aggregates, and chooses paths to information, as well as estimate the cost of these actions. And then finally, we're going to talk about workload management, a feature of Amazon Redshift that lets you create fast lanes for checkout. Yep, just like at the grocery store. This is a feature that has a major upside as well as a potential major downside. And so we'll hit the pros and cons of using workload management. Throughout the three aspects, we're going to keep our eye on the reason for queries in the first place, delivering reports, typically that contain aggregates, and that information to your end users. So first up, the SQL language and what you should know to write high-performance queries.